In modern retail, efficiency and accuracy are critical, and barcode scanning has become an essential tool for speeding transactions. Retailers may improve the customer experience and operational efficiency by incorporating barcode scanning features into Shopify POS. In this video, we will discuss the significance and benefits of barcode scanning within the Shopify POS system, emphasizing how it simplifies product identification, improves inventory management, and facilitates seamless transactions, ultimately empowering retailers to thrive in today's competitive retail landscape. Simplifying product identification. Barcode scanning within Shopify POS provides shops with a quicker solution for product identification. Retailers can rapidly access extensive product information from their Shopify inventory by simply scanning the barcode on each product. This removes the need for manual data entry and reduces the danger of human error, assuring correct product identification during transactions. With barcode scanning, businesses can rapidly and precisely add products to transactions, reducing disparities and pricing errors. Furthermore, barcode scanning enables businesses to efficiently handle complicated product assortments. Products that differ in size, color, or configuration can be easily identified by scanning the unique barcode linked with each version. This ensures correct inventory management, pricing, and monitoring, even for items with minor variations. Improved inventory control. Barcode scanning in Shopify POS is critical for streamlining inventory management procedures. Retailers may update inventory levels in their Shopify inventory system effortlessly by scanning barcodes during stock intake. Real-time inventory tracking provides shops with precise and up-to-date information on stock levels. Retailers can use barcode scanning to quickly execute stock checks, monitor product movements, and streamline restocking procedures. This decreases the possibility of stockouts or overstock situations, improving inventory turnover and decreasing revenue loss. Barcode scanning also allows for more efficient stock taking and reconciliation. Retailers can conduct inventory audits by scanning product barcodes and comparing physical counts to recorded numbers in Shopify's inventory system. Any anomalies may be noticed and resolved immediately, ensuring inventory accuracy and reducing human inventory management efforts. Transaction that is quick and accurate. By implementing barcode scanning into Shopify POS, companies can process transactions quickly and accurately, improving the overall customer experience. Scanning barcodes causes Shopify's database to automatically retrieve product details, including pricing, removing the need for manual entry and lowering the chance of errors. Cashiers may handle transactions more effectively with barcode scanning, lowering wait times and increasing operational efficiency. This allows stores to handle increased transaction volumes during peak periods, maintaining smooth and seamless consumer interactions. Retailers can also accept a variety of payment options by scanning barcodes. Scanned barcodes trigger the correct item pricing, allowing for precise total computations for cash, credit card, or mobile payment transactions. Manual computations and potential errors are eliminated, allowing for fast and error-free transaction processing. Integration and scalability. Barcode scanning capabilities can be completely incorporated into the Shopify POS system, making it a valuable tool for shops of all sizes and sectors. Retailers can use current hardware, such as barcode scanners or mobile devices with built-in cameras, and configure their Shopify POS software to recognize and analyze barcode data. The scalability of barcode scanning in Shopify POS enables retailers to adapt as their business grows. Whether they run a small boutique or a large-scale retail operation, barcode scanning can be used to ease product identification, streamline transactions, and improve the overall consumer experience.